Hi, welcome to our Fruitopia YouTube channel. In this week's Your Fruits and You episode 2, we will be exploring another health benefits of certain fruits and how they may be more beneficial to certain groups of people. We have heard a numerous number of nutritionists and scientists saying that fruits are packed with a lot of healthy benefits, but how will one know the best blend of fruits their body needs the most at a particular time or stage of their lives? Let's find out in this episode 2 of Your Fruits and You as we classify various fruits and their health benefits according to people who stands to gain more from their nutritional benefits at a particular state or stage of their lives. Before we go on, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button in order not to miss any important update from our channel. For fruits that are high in healthy fats, fruits such as avocados and olives are high in healthy fats, which can help to improve heart health and reduce inflammation. These fruits may be especially beneficial for people who have high cholesterol or who are at risk of developing heart disease. Coming in at number 2, we have fruits that are high in iron. Fruits such as apricots, figs, and guava are high in iron, which is important for maintaining healthy red blood cells and oxygen transport throughout the body. These fruits may be especially beneficial for people who have anemia or are at risk of developing anemia. Up next, we have fruits that are high in calcium. Fruits such as oranges, kiwi, and figs are high in calcium, which is important for maintaining healthy teeth and bones. These fruits may be especially beneficial for people who have osteoporosis or are at risk of developing osteoporosis. Coming in at number 4, we have fruits that are high in folate. Reasonable amounts of folate can be found in oranges and in various berries, which is important for fetal development and cell growth. These fruits may be especially beneficial for expectant mothers, growing children, and the aged. Up next, we have lycopene, a non-provitamin A carotenoid found in tomatoes, grapes, and watermelons that is responsible for their red colors. Studies have found that lycopene may be beneficial to oral health, bone health, and blood pressure. Other studies have also found a connection between lycopene intake and cancer prevention, particularly for bone, lung, and prostate cancers. Although it is advised to consult your doctor before consumption in the case of pregnancy. Also, it's important to keep in mind that a healthy diet should include other foods and not only fruits. It is always recommended to consult a healthcare professional to understand better the specific nutritional needs of an individual and to make sure any dietary changes are appropriate for their health condition. That's it for the week's episode 2 of various fruits benefits for certain people. Hope you learned a lot. And don't forget to include a variety of fruits in your diet to get a good mix of nutrients. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please don't forget to put them in the comment box. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then check out the next video, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button right away.